What if I told you that getting lost in the Amazon isn't like a movie? It's not a game. It's a fight between you and nature. And nature doesn't care if you survive, because once you're in, there's no easy way out. No GPS, no cell service, just 5.5 million square kilometers of thick jungle, venomous creatures, and a silence that screams one thing. You're alone. But what actually happens hour by hour, day by day, if you get lost in the Amazon? Let's walk through it. At first, your instincts kick in. You follow a river. You shout for help. Bad move. You're burning energy, dehydrating fast, and the heat? It's a brutal 100 degrees Fahrenheit with 90% humidity. You think you're walking in circles because you probably are. And that buzz? Not just mosquitoes. It could be the wings of a botfly, ready to lay eggs under your skin. Night falls quickly in the Amazon. You didn't bring fire. You didn't bring shelter. Yeah? Your prey. Jaguars, caimans, and bullet ants whose sting feels like being shot. One bite, one sting, one infection, and you're done. The jungle breaks more than your body, it breaks your mind. You hear voices. You see shapes in the trees. You lose track of time. Your stomach cramps, your lips crack, and suddenly, that stream of water might carry parasites that eat your insides alive. But there's a way out. Find high ground. Signal with smoke. Drink from vines. Avoid still water. Move by day. Stay still at night. And never ever eat that bright-colored frog. One lick can stop your heart. So the next time someone says, "I'd love to explore the Amazon," ask them, "Are you ready to meet a place that doesn't want to be found?" Because once you're lost, only one thing matters. Will you make it out alive?